High in the remote mountains of Papua New Guinea, a terrible disease once plagued the four people. It was called carecrew, mainly affecting women and children. The disease caused tremors, making people appear as if they were dancing. This dancing sickness was terrifying and deadly. Carecrew was transmitted through ritualistic cannibalism. The foray consumed the remains of their deceased loved ones. This spread prions, infectious proteins that warp healthy brain proteins. The discovery of prions revolutionized our understanding of infectious diseases. Prions are unlike any other infectious agent. They are not living organisms like bacteria or viruses. Prions are simply misfolded proteins. But their simplicity belies their devastating power. These misshapen proteins have a terrifying ability. They can force normal proteins to adopt their abnormal shape. This chain reaction of misfolding spreads throughout the brain, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Healthy brain tissue is transformed into a sponge-like mass, riddled with holes. This damage causes the debilitating neurological symptoms of prion diseases, like carecrew. The discovery of prions opened up a whole new avenue of scientific inquiry. Scientists are still working to understand these enigmatic agents. Unraveling their secrets is key to developing effective treatments for prion diseases. Carecrew is a cruel disease, robbing its victims of their ability to control their own bodies. The early symptoms are subtle: trembling, clumsiness, difficulty walking. As the disease progresses, the tremors worsen and muscle coordination deteriorates. Victims lose the ability to walk or even stand. Speech becomes slurred and swallowing becomes difficult. Victims often experience emotional instability with bouts of uncontrollable laughter or crying. In the final stages of carecrew, patients become completely incapacitated, unable to care for themselves. Death usually occurs within a year of the onset of symptoms, often from pneumonia or other infections due to weakened immune systems. The tragic course of carecrew highlights the devastating impact prions have on the brain. Section 4. A global threat: carecrew and other prion diseases. Carecrew might seem confined to a remote corner of the world, but prion diseases are not limited by geography or culture. They can affect anyone, anywhere. CJD, a rare neurodegenerative disorder, affects people worldwide. Mad cow disease affects cattle and caused panic in the 80s and 90s. BSE transmission to humans through meat heightened global concerns. Understanding prion transmission is crucial for prevention and treatment. Section 5. Hope on the horizon: nanotechnology battles prions. The fight against prion diseases is far from over, but on the horizon a new hope is emerging: nanotechnology. Scientists are exploring nanotechnology to treat these diseases. It involves manipulating materials at the atomic level. This offers exciting possibilities for tackling prions. One approach uses nanoparticles to deliver drugs to the brain. These nanoparticles could cross the blood-brain barrier. Another strategy involves nanomaterials binding to prions. Research is in early stages, but the potential is enormous. Section 6. Highlight the challenges in developing nanotechnology-based treatments. Despite the promise of nanotechnology, significant challenges remain. One major hurdle is ensuring the safety of nanoparticles. Researchers must carefully evaluate the potential toxicity of these materials before they can be used in humans. Another challenge is developing nanomaterials that can effectively target prions without harming healthy cells. The complex structure and behavior of prions make them difficult targets. Furthermore, the blood-brain barrier, while protecting the brain, also makes it difficult to deliver nanomaterials to the site of prion infection. Overcoming these challenges requires ongoing research and innovation. Section 7. Conclude with the current status and future outlook for prion disease treatment. Prion diseases, once shrouded in mystery, are slowly revealing their secrets. While there is still no cure, scientists are making progress. Nanotechnology offers hope for targeted treatments. The journey to conquer prion diseases is long. With continued research and collaboration, we strive for a future free of these diseases. The fight against prions showcases human ingenuity and our pursuit of knowledge.